Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where my goal is to help you make money online. I upload a new video every single week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. In this video, I will make a full review of Honeygain, where you can make money passively, sharing some of your unused internet connection. I will give you a few tips to earn more, withdraw my current balance, and show you my payment proof. I made a couple videos before about similar apps like PacketStream and IP Royal, and they all work the exact same way, which means you can use all three at the same time to make money passively. I will put the links in the description below, so you can have a look at these other two as well. Honeygain is available on Windows, macOS, and Android phones. If you haven't signed up yet, click on the link in the description below, where you will earn a $5 bonus. Once you click on the link, click on Claim $5 now, then sign up with your email address, Facebook, or Google. Once you've signed up, you can download Honeygain on any platform available here. I will install it on my Windows computer and show you how easy it is to set it up. Once it's been downloaded, simply run the app and go through the installation process. By joining the Honeygain residential proxy network, millions of users earn money passively. So you can skip the introduction and go straight to login, but I will go to how Honeygain works, where they explain what a residential proxy is and a few more details. Your device earns you money when it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or mobile internet without you doing anything. Obviously, this will also work if your computer is connected via cable, so you don't necessarily need to be connected to Wi-Fi. The great thing with the Honeygain app on Android is that you can limit your data usage if you don't have unlimited data with your mobile carrier. So here, they explain what a residential proxy network is. Basically, by leaving Honeygain open on your computer or mobile phone, you help businesses get web statistics, run ad verification, brand protection campaigns, and much more. One example I had given with similar apps such as IP Royal and PacketStream was the fact that their partners could also use the internet connection to view streaming content or websites that are not available in their own country. If you want to earn more with Honeygain, the best is to install it on multiple devices at different locations. And another way to earn more is to invite people to Honeygain. You will earn 10% of whatever they earn for life, and everyone that joins with your code will get a $5 bonus. I will show you how to get your personal link with your referral code in a few minutes. And again here, they mention that the beauty of it all is that once Honeygain is installed, you don't need to do anything at all. The app will run in the background and earn you money for free. So I will log into my account to show you how the interface looks like and request a payment. Once you log into the app, this little Honeygain icon will stay open in the background, and if you right-click on it and select Go to Dashboard, it will redirect you to this page. Simply log in again here, and now you're on the homepage of Honeygain. Here, the first thing you will see is your current balance. As you can see, I have 20,851 points, or $20.85. The minimum payout request is $20, so I can now withdraw my balance. Stay with me, I will do this in a couple minutes. I just wanted to explain a few things on this dashboard. So below your current balance, you can see how many points you gathered for the day. So far, I earned a bit over 15 points today. Here at the bottom left, you can see all your active devices where Honeygain is installed. I just installed Honeygain on my new laptop, so that's why it's showing 0 here. On my Android phone, I got 649 points. I earned 2,469 points on my other computer and 4,465 points on my old laptop. On the top right, you can see the amount of traffic you sold in the last 30 days. Earnings will vary a lot, just like IP Royal and PacketStream. If you don't see any traffic being sold here on your first day, don't panic just yet. It can sometimes take a few days for Honeygain to start selling traffic. Honeygain is completely passive, as I said before. However, if you want to earn more, you can log in daily to Honeygain's dashboard. This daily reward bonus is called the Honey Jar. So if you see this and want to earn a little more every day, simply click on Try Your Luck, and you can earn up to 10,000 points. 10,000 points is worth $10. And there you will see the Lucky Pot rules. Every single day, you will receive a random amount of points for logging into Honeygain's dashboard and click on Try Your Luck. Only Honeygain active users are eligible to participate. They mention here that an active user is one who had generated a considerable amount of shared traffic during the previous day. Each active user will be limited to one participation of the Lucky Pot game per day, and if you don't log in one day, the points you could have earned will not accumulate or be transferred to the following day. Now simply click on Open, and as you can see, I just earned 50 credits or 50 points. Just click on Add to Account, and that's it. Another way to earn even more on Honeygain is with content delivery. This option allows you to share your internet connection for bandwidth-intensive content such as images, videos, audio, etc. Content delivery will only work on Windows and Mac OS since they have a more stable network connection than mobile phones. To be able to opt in for content delivery, your device will need to be connected with a compatible IP usage type. If you get this error, unusable network, this means your IP is flagged as data center. Typically, you should only get this if you were connected to a network at a company, for example, but I've seen this issue when a friend tried Honeygain. To check if your IP is flagged as data center or not, just go to ip2location.com, click on Lookup, and check usage type. Mine is flagged as ISP, which means content delivery will work. If yours is flagged as data center, you can also ring your internet service provider to ask them to change that. Content delivery is not available worldwide yet, but when this was first introduced about a year ago, it was only available in the US and the UK. And now it's available in over 30 countries, and they say that more countries will be introduced. At the moment, you will earn 10 credits or 10 points per hour when you have this enabled. To enable content delivery, just go to the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click on Honeygain, and click on Enable here. The status will sometimes stay in queue, but right now, mine is showing active. Back to Honeygain's dashboard, you can see that I have $20.90, and I will now request a payout. You can choose to get paid via PayPal or Bitcoin. I will choose PayPal and continue. It usually takes up to 48 hours to process payout request, so please be patient. And I will click on Request Payout again. A verification code was sent to my email address for security purposes. Give me a few seconds while I enter this code. And now I can submit. So $20.90 is now on its way. Honeygain's partner TTT seems to now be in charge of sending money, and I should receive an email within 48 hours for further instructions. I will show you all this, but first I will go back to Honeygain's dashboard. My current balance is now back at 0. In the transactions history, you can see I requested my $20.90 payment. And here you can see all your earnings for each day you earn points. For example, the 50 points I earned a few minutes ago by opening the honey jar, the amount of points I gathered yesterday, and my referral earnings. The amount of points you earned from honey jar usually varies from 10 to 100 points from my experience, but exceptionally, you could earn up to 10,000 points as they mentioned earlier. In the referral section, you will see all the people you referred. You can see that I referred a total of 53 people. The more people you refer, the more you will earn, as you get 10% of their earnings. This will not affect their earnings at all. This is simply a bonus Honeygain gives you for referring someone to their platform. To find your referral link, just click on Invite Friends on the top right corner and copy the link there. So I will pause the recording, but stay with me because I will be back in 1 second with my payment proof that should hopefully be transferred within 48 hours. I received this email the next day after requesting a payout. Because TTT is now the company in charge of transferring money on behalf of Honeygain, I have to register with them. From there, I can then enter any PayPal account I want because it doesn't need to match the one used for my Honeygain account. So I registered and entered my PayPal email address and just received this welcome email from TTT. From this portal, I can now easily change my payment details if needed. And on the next day, I received this email confirming my payment will be transferred shortly. And another day later, I received this email from XXX saying €15.86 was transferred. The total payment was a bit lower than the original $20.90 I requested because there was a transaction fee of $1.42. So in the end, I got $19.48 or €15.86. This fee might be different depending on where you live. I am based in Ireland, so my currency is in euro, but if you live in the US, for example, you would of course get your payments in dollars. And I will now show you the payment in my PayPal account. And there, as you can see, XXX sent me the money I requested on behalf of Honeygain. I hope I gave you enough information about Honeygain, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you all for watching, and see you soon.